Hey guys, I'm Annette. Welcome to my channel. It's finally starting to feel like spring here, and I'm super excited to show you this beautiful bell jar floral arrangement that I've made for this season. It's really simple to make, super affordable, and I'm going to show you how to make yours. So these are the 5 things you're going to need for your arrangement. Number 1, get yourself a cute teapot. Number 2, bell jar. Number 3, spring flowers. Number 4, moss. And number 5, something unique to you to make your arrangement your own. So before you start searching for one online, I suggest heading on over to your local thrift store. You never know what people get rid of, and I got this one at my local Goodwill for $7. If you keep an open mind on color scheme and patterns, then you're more than likely to find something you really love that you didn't expect. So there's that. Before you start searching for your bell jar, you're going to want to measure the width of your teapot. So from spout to handle, mine was 6 inches, so I found a bell jar with a bottom plate of 7 inches. That way it gave me an extra inch of room for moss and for the teapot to fit. I really love a bell jar with a bottom plate just because it's so great if you want to move it off the table for extra guests or plates. You don't have to worry about everything that's inside falling out. And they're really easy to find. You can search them online. I actually got mine at my local flower shop for about $20-something. So kind of affordable and really easy to find. For the flowers, you're going to want to find something that matches what's on your teapot. I feel like I got really lucky with these. They seem to be the same color that was on the teapot and almost, I think, the same type of flower. I got them at an artificial flower shop, and it was a bunch of 5 of them for about $6. I only ended up using 4 of them just because my teapot is on the smaller side, and I really love the feel of them. It's a very thin foam, not a thick foam board that you would find at a kid's craft store, but very soft, feels like petal in your hand. And I actually like it a lot more than your standard silk flower. So if you can, try to find flowers in that material. And what I did was just wrap them in the back nice and tight with a wire. That way they stay together when you put them in the teapot. And if you have a really cute lid like this one, don't get rid of it. Hang on to it. I'm going to show you what to do with it right after. For the 4th item, your moss, you're going to want to find something that is around the same green if you have a green pattern on your teapot. I really love the texture of Spanish moss just because it has that wave and curl to it that's really beautiful and reminds me of spring. You can easily find it in Michael's. A whole bag will cost you like $5, and check their coupon section because you can probably find it cheaper than that with a coupon. Place it in the plate of your bell jar and adjust it so that you fill in all the corners, and then just kind of dig yourself a little bit of a hole in the center. That way when you place the teapot, it's nice and balanced. So for the 5th item, you're going to find something that's unique to you, that's going to make this bell jar arrangement your own. Whether that's string lights just above the flowers, or a mystical fairy or gnome that sits on the moss, whatever feels more like you. And for me, I love the color lavender. I love seeing it bloom in spring, so I wanted to add some of that to my arrangement. I curved some of the bottom stem just so I can add it on the bottom border, just along the moss. And I added 2 of them down here. And then for the top of the teapot, you can just squish that in there. The top of the teapot, I wanted to add some smaller lavender buds just to add some texture. And they can kind of float a little bit to the sides. And there you go. So if you haven't forgotten about that little decorative lid, you can add it to the side. It'll hang diagonally right here. And when you place your lid, you're all done. Look how beautiful! So some final thoughts about the arrangement. It's really easy to clean. Because it has a glass dome on top, all you really have to do is just dust it with a paper towel once a month and you're good to go. You never have to worry about cleaning anything that's inside. And it's protected from any grease or oils if you have it in the kitchen. That's it. I hope you guys really enjoyed making your own belljar floral arrangement. If you liked my video, click like. Please subscribe to see more videos, and I'll see you guys soon.